Dear students, today I want to teach you about JavaScript event and functions. So here you see I have written two functions in JavaScript. This is first function and this is second function. The first function name is addition. The second function name is deletion. Okay. The first function, this is the code of the first function addition. I have declared three variables m, n and s. M is the variable. Here I am using the method prompt method. So prompt method we are using for getting a value from the user. Okay, it is act as an input box. Okay, it come in a window and there will be a this message together with a text box. So whatever the user type, the text box gets the data from the user and it is stored to the variable m. Okay, so whenever the user write anything in a text box, it return as string value. So we go to convert the string into integer. Okay, so that I have used here parse int function. So this function it converts a string into an integer. Then we are getting the second number. Then we are adding m plus n both number and store the result to the variable s. Okay. Then using the document.getElement by id method, there is a text box in my document. Its name is t1. Okay, I place the control over that focus. I call the function focus. What the function focus will do, it will place the control over the text box. Okay, then the result will be assigned to the this text box. Okay, so there will be two prompt function. It gets two value from the user one by one. Then those values will be added. The result will be stored into a text box. Okay, then deletion function. This function I have written to clear the text box. Okay, before clearing the text box I will ask the user a question by using the confirm method. So what this confirm method will do, it will display this message, are you sure to delete, with a two button, OK and cancel. So if you are willing to delete, if you press OK button, then it returns true value to the variable p. So p will get true if you press OK button. If you press cancel button, the p will get false. Okay, if p is true, if p is true, then the text box value will be clear. So what I did here, the same document.getElement by id text box name dot value equal to, I have given empty string. Empty string means nothing. So it is the, what are the values there in the previous value, it will be removed from the text box. Okay, if p is false, then I display a message to the user, you don't want to delete. Okay, so this is the two functions I have written using JavaScript inside script tag. Okay, then I call this function addition function in the first button. You see the first button, input type equal to button, this id is v1, and when the user click this button, this function will be called. Okay, then I connect this button, this function deletion to the second button, id is v2. Okay, so the result is, you see here there is the this information will be displayed on the document. The result is, then the text box will be designed, its name is t1. We can use name or we can use id, no problem. So nowadays most programmers they are using id only, so I am using the id. Okay, so id is t1, this is the name of the text box. Okay, so now I am running this program. We can see the output here. See, when I run this program, what will be happen, to open in the browser, and the message, the result is will be displayed and there will be a text box. Okay, now I want to click this button add. Now you see we will ask a value for a. So what is this window? This window display by using the prompt function. function, this is the input box. So I have given 50. So if you use prompt function, it will display a text box together with your message. So I have designed a message, enter value for A. Okay, now I press OK. Then I have asked the value for B. I have given 60. So 60 plus 50, how much? 110. So 110 will be displayed in the text box. Okay, the result will be displayed in the text box. Okay. Now I want to remove this data 110 from this text box by clicking the button delete. So whenever I click the button delete, the second function deletion will be called and the data will be removed from the text box. Okay, we will see now. Okay, so now I want to click delete button. I press see. Now this is another window will be coming, and with the two button OK cancel, and there is a message are issued to delete. If I press the button OK, then it returns the value true. If I press the button cancel, then it returns the value false. So okay, I want to delete now. So I click the button OK. So it returns the value true. So text box data will be removed. Okay. You see now. You see now here there is no value in the text box. Okay. So if you like this video, click like button, subscribe button for my future videos, and share this video to your friends also. Okay. Thank you.